That's not a little thing of chocolate milk. This is actually a thing of ammo. Blazer ammunition by CCI. This is a 38 grain lead round nose, 1,235 feet per second. And today we're going to shoot 50 rounds in our accuracy test with this ammo from our Glock 44. This is empty the ammo, flatten the carton for a built-in target. How about that? I like the packaging in this thing. Let me see. Check that out later. Alright, we're going to do 50 rounds. Alright, I brought the 7, I guess. No last round will open that one. Alright, let's go check her out. Not a bad grouping in this one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we got the Blazer so far. Not bad, not bad. Would like to have those 2 green in the black though, at least. Alright, let's do it again. Alright, last round hole open. Let's go see how we did. Stay still. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. Alright. Let's go back to the 15. And it's March in New York. Last round hole open. So far 3 for 3 with that. Did pretty damn good here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, so far altogether, these Blazers, they're very accurate. I like it. Alright, we got 2 magazines, 20 rounds left. We're going to do 10-yard line, 15 rounds really fast, and hopefully I don't have the problems I did last video with the Federal Order match. Last round hole open. Okay, holster there. Let's go check it out. Shoot a little faster, get a little lighter. Okay, let's see, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. Overall, pretty good. Very good. Alright, we got 5 rounds left. I'm going to repaper and we're going to shoot from the 50. Going to do 5 rounds, CCI Blazers. Close the video. No last round to open. 4 to 5 and I expect. Still pretty good. We'll see how I did from the 50 with the CCI Blazers. CCI BLAZER is pretty much good in every 22 firearm and rifle I've had. They even worked pretty good in the vintage arms kits. Let's see, got one real low, one real high. Alright. Alright, not too bad. Got one here, two there, three there, four. Holy crap. Got one in the bullseye. There you go. By far the best accuracy of any ammo I've tested in the Glock 44 so far. Alright. Wow. Let's get back to the bench and close the video. From the chocolate milk container of ammo, this was a pretty good session. All 50 rounds fired, no failed defeats, no failed to extracts. All first round load-ins were fine. Accuracy with this ammo was very good. And I think we got, what, did we have 5 out of 5 in the last round hole opens? I know you got at least 4, so right there for this session. Both the ammo and the firearm get a solid A for me on this session. So, alright folks, we're now 4,800 rounds through our Glock test. Obviously 200 more rounds to go, so keep your family safe, pray for the country, Jesus Christ is still King, and we'll see you in the next video.